Simmer down is a colloquial expression often used in informal conversations to suggest that someone should calm down or reduce their emotional intensity, excitement, or agitation. It is a friendly and familiar way to encourage someone to regain their composure and lower their emotional temperature. The phrase draws its imagery from the process of simmering in cooking, where ingredients are heated to a point just below boiling. When the heat is reduced, the bubbling and agitation of the liquid subside, allowing for a more controlled and even cooking process. In the same way, simmer down suggests that an individual's emotions or reactions have reached a level of intensity that may be counterproductive or disruptive, and it's time to dial it back to a more manageable state. Simmer down is often used in situations where someone is visibly upset, excited, or agitated. It can be a way to acknowledge their feelings while gently encouraging them to regain their emotional equilibrium. For example, if someone is involved in a heated argument or getting overly worked up about a situation, a friend or family member might say, "Hey, why don't you simmer down a bit? Let's talk this through calmly." The phrase can also be used in situations of excitement or enthusiasm. If someone is getting overly enthusiastic about a topic, a project, or an event, simmer down can be used to remind them to maintain a balanced perspective. It's a way of saying, yes, it's exciting, but let's not get too carried away. In addition to emotional states, simmer down can also apply to situations where things are becoming chaotic or disorderly. For instance, if a group of people is getting rowdy or noisy, someone might use the phrase to encourage them to lower the volume and restore order. While simmer down is typically used in a friendly and well-intentioned manner, it's important to be sensitive to the context and the individual's emotional state. In some cases, using the phrase may not be appropriate, especially if the person is genuinely distressed or upset. In such situations, it's essential to offer support and understanding rather than simply telling them to simmer down. In conclusion, simmer down is a colloquial expression that encourages someone to calm down, reduce emotional intensity, or restore order in a situation. It is a friendly and familiar way to acknowledge strong emotions or excitement while gently guiding the individual toward a more composed and balanced state of mind. When used with care and consideration, it can be a valuable tool for effective communication and conflict resolution.